Alright, it's time to go home. It's not actually as bad as I expected. Walk all the way to Asakusa station to get the Asakusa line to the airport because one, I will not pay for the Naruto Express or the other one, and two, because I don't want to get the JR. I don't want to get the JR line here, and there's a lift at this one. You gotta go to A1 for a lift. I made it, and now I'm gonna get ramen one last time. I woke up, I lugged all my luggage to Asakusa station, and then I got on the train that goes past Atoll and stuff because I don't pay for the Naruto Express or anything. I just get the Asakusa line, Asakusa line, and yeah. So I just checked in my bags because y'all lets you check in Japan Airlines lets you check in pretty early. And so I'm just gonna sit here and watch planes and eat ramen. I'm so tired. A Jetstar. I got the same base ramen that I ate at Tokyo, but this one I could order with the soy meat in it, and then I don't know what that is, so I may not eat that part. And I got soda. My ramen is done. I got 40 minutes before I can go through. I'm checking where. Why? It hates me. I don't remember where the Pokemon store moved to. And this thing doesn't work. Fun. I want to go check that, and then I want to go. I need to throw out these shoes because like I said, the bolts have come through on them, and it is literally eating away at the insoles that I bought. Oh, the Pokemon store is now in T1. Well, I guess I'm not going. I left my seat for nothing. Oh well. Very confused at the gel gate when it said that you could like go through security with 1 hour to go or whatever, but they have their own security gate. And I had to take my shoes off. They were like, those are big shoes, and I was like, yeah, they're very heavy, I didn't want to pack them. Oh, not to trip, because I still have to get home from the airport. I'm back. Border Force agent said he liked my bag. I was like, it turns. Yeah, let's go home. My son, my sweet, beautiful son. Most of the time, my sweet daddy. Everything in my body hurts. Not a single muscle. It's sped. I have crashed successfully. Beautiful. Give me be a good table. So you want the monkey? Mm-hmm. I'm not getting the monkey. This one. I got the monkey! Hell yeah, I am a provider. I can't believe you were pulling packs without me. It was only 2.5 weeks. You played Hello Kitty for me every single day, but like, how dare you do this? Alright. 1 or 2? 2? Okay. I'm gonna get nothing. Why does he look like that? I napped for 6 to 7 hours. Oh, wait. There's a meme with the youth. I really do not remember which one has the dirty clothes in it. Is it this one? Is it this one? Do you want to lift them and guess? I'm guessing it's the heavier one. One is 18 kilos and one is 16.5. Please figure out the difference. Okay. Stand here and hold that. So you thought this one? Okay. We'll be able to tell them really quickly. I believe there are clothes in this one. Oh, this is the one that I shoved the clear file in. Oh no! Luckily, all the things that should fall out everywhere are in the zip side, so it should just be closed and it shouldn't be stuffed. Do you think I did well getting that closed? Mm-hmm. So this is the clear file thing. Yeah. Feel it? Heavy? Mm-hmm. Yeah, this side's all closed. We're good. We found it. All I got out last night was some stuff from my carry-on bag, so I got out the kits and to show my wife Kaiba. I love him too. I can't believe you voted no. Now everyone knows. It was you. The only no vote. I want to put him up there. Surely I will not perish. Pin it? Do we even have pins? Because if we have pins, I will pin it reluctantly. Why is there so much stuff on the floor? Ooh, my dual disc! It's time to duel! Alright, I'm gonna try taping him. I'll get better tape because I do not want to pin it. Beautiful! Besides washing, I'm not going to do any more unpacking or anything for days because I am resting. I'm going for a little walk in the morning, in the evening, stretch out my back. Kaiba. So yeah, I will end this video here. This one's probably going to be much shorter than the rest of them, but I need to rest, eat, and hydrate, and bug the hell out of my wife. I'ma get you. Did you say come get me? Okay. I need to go. I have been requested. You requested me? I will film unpack soon. Which it will not feel like any difference because I'm not going to edit for the next few days. But this is... Yes. Bye.